Hi, it's me, LaAvia, and today I'm going to be singing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. I really love this song, so I hope you guys really enjoy it today as much as I do. But, yeah, enjoy. I let it fall, my heart as it fell. I was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. In the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burns when I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. Now lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the games you played, they were never true. In the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned when I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something tight, 'cause I knew that was the last time, Thank you. Hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe. Bye.